Hello everyone, welcome back to that Cyber Guy. So today we are going to demonstrate how attackers how they find information about your system, and then how you can just go ahead and just secure a system. We gonna give you some tips, and then how to just make sure that your system is well secured. Now, are you ready to deep dive into securing your system? Buckle up and let's get started. Learn cybersecurity in no time. So we have Kali Linux open. So today we are going to use VirtualBox, Kali Linux, and Metasploitable. So we are going to use Metasploitable as our target machine. So many time when you talk to people who have a website or a web server or a system, they often ask, okay, how an attacker gonna know what's going on to my system? So it's very important because the internet is virtual, but it's wide. People can scan it to just find information. That's why it's very important for you, as a system administrators or cybersecurity professional that is securing system, to make sure that your system is well secured. So today, what we are going to do, we are going to use Nmap to just see what information we have in our target machine. So now I have two terminals open. The first one, we can just type nmap dash help. From here you see that we can do a lot of things with nmap. So what you can actually do, you can just play on with it and just see whatever you want to do. But for today, what we are going to be focusing on, we are going to focusing on dash a and then dash O, because what we want to do, we want to see the enable OS detection. We want to see the OS detection and the version. So that's why we are going to use that command. Okay, we can just go ahead and just type nmap. By the way, all the other command, if you want to use them, the only thing that you have to type is nmap. So we can type nmap dash capital A and then dash capital O and then the IP address of the target machine or whatever domain name, and that's 0, that 2, that's 4, and hit enter. Now this may take a while. I'll pause the video and be back once the scan is complete. So our scan is complete. As you can see here, from here, we are able to see the port that are open and the services that are inside the port. Now, what I want you to pay attention is the fact that an IP address, anybody can just get the IP address of a web server or a system. You know what I mean? Sometimes when you do a ping command, sometimes it just automatically show the IP address. So this shows you that, how vulnerable your system may be, because this is how, many times, attackers, they just, try to say, okay, let's see the system that they have, the port that have open, the outdated version, and this is how they find out, okay, what gonna be my attack vector right here. So as you can see here, they show you all the port that are open, and the services, the authentication type, and then how many users the actual system has, and then the system information. Now, how do you secure a system? Number one, make sure that you close all unused ports. For example, if you're not going to just need SSH, close it out. And close ports that are supported. For example, if your port number is no longer supported, like telnet, you just shut it down. And then for admin logging port, sometimes you can choose something random that is not like guessable. And number two, make sure that all the system is up to date. After you close unused port, make sure that all the system is up to date. And then authentication, you use proper authentication mechanism. You know what I mean? For administrators, make sure that privilege access, they are separated. You have a separated privilege access for admin, and then you have multi-factor authentication. Logging and monitoring is very important, so you know who did what and when. Yeah, that's all that I have for you for today. So I want you to just have a key takeaway from this. If you are a system admin, or if you're new to cybersecurity or working in red team, so how important it is, to just secure a system. Because believe it or not, people will find out how secure your system is. Now, if you have any question or concerns, make sure that you put them into the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to learn cybersecurity anywhere, anytime for free. Thank you.